August 6th, 2025. The day started out in an expanding triangle, and then we had a bull spike, a pullback, and then a really weak channel for the remainder of the day. Day started out 3 and 4, reversal and follow through, high probability, symmetrical second leg. It gets it. 6, a reversal, but not really a great bar. A great bar, but not really a great location. This should still get a second leg. And the thing to keep in mind is if you're going to sell a big bar like this in the middle of a trading range, you're going to probably need to scale in. So traders who are selling 6 are probably using a very wide stop, maybe 2R of the signal, and looking to sell more as it goes higher. 7 and 8 consecutive bull bars, but a large decrease in momentum on 8, and 7 is an outside bar, so odds are it's going to pull back. 9, 10, and 11, it's a good looking 3-bar micro channel. It is at the bottom of a trading range, possibly the bottom of an expanding triangle, but I thought it was a decent 3-bar micro channel. I did take the sell, and I scaled in and took a loss on this trade. That's fine. I mean, this is kind of one of the ones that I'm just not going to avoid it. It should happen about once or twice a month. You get something like that where it's just kind of an unavoidable loss for the way that I currently trade. So that was fine. 12, 13, 14 is a surprise against. So I obviously was looking for a way out, basically a half an hour to get me out at some point, and I never got it. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, a 5-bar micro channel. So when you get 5cc, odds are it pulls back, but it should get at least one more leg up. 18, an outside up bar, 17 is an outside up bar, and we got follow through on 18. Good for the bulls. We should go at least a little bit higher. We have a breakout test. We're testing the bar 8 high on bar 18. And then you can see we reverse back up. So we test the breakout point. We did not close below the breakout point, and we did not get follow through below the breakout point. So it becomes a successful breakout, 21, 22, and 23. These were late legs. 23 was a late leg, and I didn't give it that great of a score on the 10+2, so I did not personally take 23. 26, a bear bar, but a large tail on the bottom, and you can see buyers below and a reversal up on 27. 28, 29, 3 straight bull bars, but again, a very late leg. Had I taken this trade, I probably would have gotten out after 33. It's better to just look to exit if you're trading a late leg and you get some sort of strong reversal and follow through or anything along those lines against you. The 3-bar microchannel was actually pretty unsuccessful for the most part today. I don't know if the stop got run here. I'm going to check. It did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So it was only trading about 50% today, which is unusual, obviously. But there are also days where the system goes 8 for 8, 9 for 9, or the 3-bar micro channel goes 8 for 8 or 9 for 9 on the symmetrical second leg. So it's not super surprising when this ends up happening. But it's not all that common because it's a higher probability type of trade. 3-bar micro channel here, but a late leg and very bad looking 3-bar micro channel. I did not take this one. 3 or 4 legs down, and then I thought, I was still counting these as legs down, and I thought 45 or 46, we do get a higher low, so maybe it's leg 2. I thought that this was leg 1. I was looking at this as leg 2. 48, 49. Good pair of consecutive bull bars. We probably should get back above the 38 high. 51 through 53. Yes, a good 3-bar micro channel, but it's a late leg. And although the bars look very good, 52 and 53 are very strong, you are selling the bottom of a trading range, and there was a good reversal and follow through on the 15 minutes. So the main reason that I did not take 53 was the reversal and follow through on the 15 minutes. So I stayed out of that trade. I did take 56, and I scaled in on 57. And after the disappointment on 66, really 62, I knew that the trade was probably not going to work, but 62 just needed to be a little bit larger for me to exit. But once we got 3 bars, you're obviously getting a second leg from this. It's a high probability some sort of 3-bar micro channel is going to get a symmetrical second leg. And you can see there were sellers above and another leg down on 66. 66 is a big enough bar that I would expect there to be, I would expect most traders to start looking to exit. So it's a big enough bar for me to look to exit. I got a half an hour on 67, and I just got out up here. We do end up getting the symmetrical second leg target a little bit later on 73. And then we went sideways. As far as the daily chart, this is maybe the second leg for the bulls. I still think that we're probably going to have to get somewhere back down here. I think we've probably started a trading range in this general area. I would be surprised if we went a lot higher. The weekly chart, a big outside down bar for the bears, and we're probably going to test back up to the July 21st high at some point. But I still think that July 28th is going to need some sort of second leg. So I'll be really interested to see how this bar closes. This week's bar ends up closing. If it closes poor, or it closes weak, odds are that we go at least a little bit lower. But if it's a big, strong close like this, we'll probably just be very sideways. And that's really it for today.